All right, guys, here's the car. It's a 2009 Dodge Charger V6, got the 3.5. This is all-wheel drive, but this car was not maintained over the time, and this is something that you see a lot. You see here, here's the cradle of the vehicle. The engine is out, and this car up here suffered from a bad timing belt, which is something that people neglect and don't think about. But when it does go, it will tear up the engine. Here is the motor here. Just wanted to make this quick video. If you do have a Charger with the 3.5 in it, the V6 Charger, and you're getting up there in miles, definitely think about doing the timing belt. It's something that can save you a lot of money, a lot of headache down the line. This car's been in the shop here for a while. As you can see, the cradle's down, engine's out. It's bad, has to be replaced. Got to use one here that's going to go in here, but just a lot of money and a lot of time. Timing belt is definitely something on these vehicles that you definitely want to keep up on. But so definitely for all of my guys out there and girls that have the Charger V6s, definitely keep that in mind. I know, it can be something to overlook when your car's running for a long time, not really giving you any problems. It's something you really don't think about. But the timing belt can definitely lead to some big time issues like the Charger behind me. Now having the cradle down, having the engine out. Now once you have the engine out, now there's all these other things that you run into. Could be water pump. Other things there, different gaskets and things of that nature. Once you start tearing apart the motor, so definitely keep that in mind. It's something that you definitely want to pay attention to. So if your car is getting up in miles, and I believe this car here has 140,000 miles, so really, around 100,000 should be the time that you want to really get that taken care of, because it could be something that can save you a bunch of time and a bunch of headache later on down the line, like this one here. So definitely like, comment. If you have any questions, definitely get down in the comment box. Subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.